Bueno, siendo las 16.
Voy a hacer una exhalación. Snow in Madrid.
Filomena buried Madrid under the heaviest snowfall in 50 years. Sebas went to the movies and saw The Father.
I'm going to give you my review.
Iñaki Agustín, Sebastián Calvo, live from a small room in a small apartment in Madrid.
This is the English Garden Morning Show edition.
The English Garden. The English Garden.
The English Garden. El Jardín Inglés.
Good morning, everyone!
Good morning, English Garden fans, and good morning to you too, Sebas.
Good morning, Iñaco, and welcome to the English Garden Season 2. It's good to be back, no?
It sure is, Sebas. It sure is. And these are our top headlines from our vacations. We started the new year in Mallorca.
Yes, amazing travel. You know?
Amazing trip.
Amazing trip. An amazing moment with you, with my sister.
She lives
in Mallorca, in Ireland, and she's a big fan to the English Garden.
Of the English Garden.
Take a walk.
We walked.
We walk a lot.
We visited some small towns.
And we eat a lot.
Because it was rainy, we did an asado, but in the oven. Which sounds sad, but it was delicious. We did do a choriciada. There's no translation for choriciada.
Oh no?
Chorizo party.
We celebrate Friends Kiss Day and
What do we celebrate?
Magic Kings.
3 Magic Kings. No,
you
three
said it. You said
Kings
it.
Magic Day. 3 Kings Day.
Yes.
Yeah. Iñaki met a pony.
No, I met a pony.
And you touched.
We were trying to get back to Madrid,
Try.
but our flights kept getting cancelled because of the snow.
Many ice, you know?
There's a lot of ice.
A lot of ice and snow.
So the thing is, we missed it.
So sad.
All 3 dead, you know, because the
All
snow.
what?
All 3 trees dead because the snow.
Kill.
All the street with ice, with a big capa, a big layer of ice.
Frustration, you know?
Madrid is not prepared for snow.
How do you say basura? La basura, la
Trash.
The trash accumulate, you know, the trash.
Eventually, the snow melted.
Okay. Decided back to normal without trees. Árboles, la puta madre.
Trees.
Trees, without trees. Se me trancó algo. Estoy mejor, ¿quieres un mate?
In December it was my birthday, so I wanted to get a
A
dog,
dog, a little dog.
a puppy.
His parent give a electric bike. It's the same, a little dog and an electric bike.
I'm a 36-year-old man asking his parents to give him money for a dog. So this is where I'm at. So they sent me an electric bike.
It's wonderful bike. It's not your size.
It's for someone a little shorter and
Not as heavy as I am.
If you want to
reach out to me if you're looking for an
to
electric
buy,
bike.
with this money you adopt a dog.
I changed my mind about that. In other news, Sebas is starting a new career.
I found my survivor job, manual therapy.
That sounds weird. So, physical therapy.
I take care of you and of your family.
We're very proud of you, Sebas, and we wish you all the best in this new endeavor.
Good luck, we all wish you good luck.
We move a cookie segment. Okay? The perfect formula, to make a soup. No?
A soup.
A soup.
Last night we ate it and it was great.
Yeah, it was
So,
dinner.
a water-based soup, but then you mix it. It's like a puree.
Onions, carrot,
How do you say puerros?
Leeks.
Leeks.
potato, and pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
It's a little bland in flavor. Do you know what bland is?
Yes, without taste.
Sure. To give it a little we put
One
one whole bag
whole bag
of Parmesan cheese.
This is the soup.
The consistency. Spring is almost here.
Yes.
What's your favorite
What's
season?
your favorite season?
One, two, three.
Spring.
What can you expect in spring?
The flowers grow up.
Flowers bloom.
Bloom. 3 bloom 2. 3. No me sale hoy árbol no me está saliendo.
Three. Three.
Can you spell it?
T-R-E-E. No.
T-R-E-E.
Tree. Por ahí va. Tree. Yeah, the tree bloom 2.
Now for our culture section, well, Sebas went to the movies.
I see.
You saw?
I saw The Father.
The Father.
With Olivia Colman, another old man. I don't remember the number. The name Anthony Hopkins. Describe Alzheimer.
Alzheimer's.
Yes. The audience feel the problem.
But you get into the story. How many Sebas would you give it from 1 to 5?
I 4 mini Sebas.
Are you listening to any artists lately that you want to share with our audience?
The song called Baila from
Bye.
Gia Love.
Bye.
Bye, claro.
Let's see. Oh, so it's a dance song.
Party.
Alright, she's on Spotify and
She's from Uruguay.
this is all we have for today for our morning show. What can we expect, Sebas, for season 2 of The English Garden?
I spent many chapters,
Episodes.
I spent many episodes.
2 episodes a month.
2 episodes of month.
Are you going to practice?
I'm going to practice English for you and for me. First for me and then for you. Qué lindo que es volver, ¿no? Si te olvidaste de nosotros, dale like y comenta. Lo pensé para vos, negrita.
Si estás contento de que volvimos, compartí y suscríbete.